Are you unable to connect your LG TV to internet? So this is the common issue. You can first of all restart your TV and check whether restarting may solve this issue or not. Secondly, you can try to connect your TV to a different network. So go to the network settings, go to the connection, and you can try to connect it to different network settings. You can choose any other internet connection from here, or you can do one thing, you can set up it manually. So there is an option to connect your internet to manually as well, because sometimes manual connection solve this issue. You can check the location of your TV, and you can go to journal, and you can see location and time is causing this issue. So go to the location of your TV once and change it to your country. So I am from India, so I selected my country. You can select your country. After that, you can go to time and date, and herein you need to select this set automatically. So first you need to select your country location, then you need to select time, because it will select time according to your country. You can test hotspot as well. So you go to network, you can see there is an option of Wi-Fi direct. Just tap on this, and herein you can start Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct or hotspot from your mobile phone and connect it to your mobile phone. See whether a mobile phone device is connecting or not, because sometimes this also solve this issue. Next step is to update the software. So go to the journal, and herein you need to go to about this TV, and you can see software update option is showing here. You need to update your software to the latest version, and if it does not work, you need to go to the last option, which is reset to initial settings. Make sure to reset your TV to the initial setting at the last if nothing works, because it will reset all your TV to the latest settings. And after that, you need to restart your PC and then try to connect your internet and see whether connection error is showing or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it, the exact error, in the comment section. I will give you the reply and possible solution. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.